Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Talk English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. Hello, hello.
Jack, I have a question for you. Do you like going to restaurants?
I love restaurants, but I have a small problem.
A problem? Tell me.
Okay, so last month I went to a new restaurant, a nice one, very quiet, very fancy.
Nice. What happened?
The waiter came to my table. He said, "Are you ready to order?" And I said, "Yes, I want the red one."
The red one?
The red one. I looked at the menu, I saw a picture, it was red, and I just pointed. The red one, please.
And what was the red one?
I don't know. I still don't know. It was spicy, very, very spicy. My face was red too after 5 minutes.
Oh no, Jack.
The waiter asked me, "Sir, is everything okay?" And I said, "Yes, very good, very hot." My eyes were crying.
That is such a common problem. So many English learners feel nervous at a restaurant. You don't know the words, you don't know what to say, so you just point.
Exactly. Pointing is easy, talking is hard.
But today, we are going to fix that. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say, from walking in the door to ordering food to paying the bill.
No more the red one.
No more the red one. Let's go. Okay, Jack, imagine this. You open the door, you walk into the restaurant, a person comes to say hello. This person is called the host or the hostess. What do they usually say?
Something like, "Hello, how many people?"
Yes, very good. How many, please? Or how many, please? So if you are alone, what do you say?
"One, please."
Perfect. Or you can say the full sentence. A table for one, please. Say it.
"A table for one, please."
And if you are with a friend?
"A table for two, please."
Yes, easy, right? Just change the number. Say it.
"A table for two, please."
Now, sometimes the host will say, "Do you have a reservation?" This means, did you call before to book a table?
Oh, I never know this word. Reservation.
Reservation. It just means a table that is all ready for you.
And if I don't have one,
You just say, "No, we don't. Do you have a table?"
say it, "No, we don't have a reservation. Do you have a table?"
And the host might say, "Yes, this way, please." That means follow me.
"This way, please." I like that. Very clear.
Or sometimes they say, "I'm sorry, we're full." This means no tables right now.
Oh no, what do I do then?
You can ask, "Can I wait?" Or "How long is the wait?" This means how much time. Say it, "How long is the wait, please?"
Okay, I have a table. What now?
Now you sit down, and the waiter brings you the menu.
Ah, the menu. This is my problem. So many words. Starter, main, dessert.
Let's make it simple. A starter is small food. You eat it first, like soup or a small salad.
Okay. Starter, small food, first.
Then the main course. This is the big food. Chicken, fish, pasta, pizza.
Main, the big food.
And dessert. This is sweet food at the end. Cake, ice cream.
Dessert, my favorite word already.
Mine too. Now, if you don't understand a word on the menu, what can you say?
What is this?
Good. Or, more polite, what is this, please? Or the best question, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
It means, what do you think is good? Ask the waiter. They know the food very well. Say it. What do you recommend?
I like this question. Now the waiter has to think, not me.
Exactly. Now, some people have a food problem. Maybe they cannot eat something.
Like my friend, he cannot eat nuts.
Right. He can say, "I'm allergic to nuts." This means nuts make him sick.
Say it. I'm allergic to nuts.
Or maybe someone doesn't eat meat. They can say, I'm vegetarian. Do you have vegetarian food? Say it. I'm vegetarian. Do you have vegetarian food?
These are very useful sentences.
Very useful. Restaurants hear these questions every day. It's completely normal to ask. Okay, big moment. The waiter comes back and says, Are you ready to order?
And this is where I said the red one.
Not today. Today, I will teach you the magic words. First, never say, give me.
Why not? Give me the pizza. It's clear.
It's clear, yes, but it sounds a little rude, like a command. In English, we say, I would like or I'll have.
I would like.
Yes, I would like the pizza, please. Very polite.
Say it. I would like the pizza, please.
Or, shorter, I'll have the pizza, please. This means the same thing. Say it, I'll have the pizza, please.
I would like or I'll have. Got it. 2 magic phrases.
Exactly. Now, if the waiter asks anything to drink, what do you say?
I would like water, please.
Perfect. And you can add still or sparkling. Still water is normal water. Sparkling water has small bubbles.
Oh, I didn't know this word. Sparkling.
Sparkling, like this. Psst. Bubbles.
Say it. Still water, please. And sparkling water, please.
And one more useful phrase. If you need more time to choose, you say, Can I have a few more minutes, please? Say it. Can I have a few more minutes, please?
I need this phrase every time. I am always slow with menus.
Me too, honestly.
Emily, can I tell you another restaurant story?
Oh no. Another one?
A small one. So after the red one, I learned my lesson. Next time, I was very careful. I said, I would like the chicken, please. Very confident.
Good. What happened?
The waiter said, Would you like that grilled or fried? And my brain just stopped.
Oh no.
I said, Yes.
You said yes to a question with 2 options?
I panicked. Grilled or fried? 2 words. Too fast. Too much.
Okay, let's learn these words. Grilled means cooked on a hot metal grill, no oil.
Grilled. Healthy.
Fried means cooked in hot oil, very tasty, less healthy.
Fried. Tasty but oily.
So next time you can say, grilled, please. Simple answer. Say it, grilled, please. And fried, please.
See, this is why we need this video. My stomach has suffered enough.
Your stomach's suffering is our lesson today. Thank you for your sacrifice, Jack. Okay, your food arrives. The waiter says, enjoy your meal. What do you say?
Thank you.
Perfect. Simple and correct. Now, a few minutes later, the waiter might ask, is everything okay? Or, how is everything?
And I can say, yes, it's very good.
Good. Or a nicer word, delicious. It's delicious. Thank you.
It's delicious. Thank you.
But what if there is a problem? Maybe your food is cold, or maybe it's the wrong food.
This happened to me one time. I ordered soup. They brought me salad.
What did you do?
I just ate the salad. I was too shy to say anything.
Ah, many people do this, but you don't have to. You can say calmly, excuse me, I think there's a small mistake. I ordered soup, not salad.
Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake. I ordered soup, not salad. That sounds so calm and easy.
It is. The waiter will say sorry and fix it. No problem, no stress.
I wish I knew this sentence before. I really wanted that soup.
Next time, Jack. Next time you get your soup. Okay, the meal is finished. You are happy and full. Now, time to pay.
The scary part.
Not scary. Very easy. First, you need the waiter's attention. You don't shout. You just look at them. Maybe a small wave and say, "Excuse me?"
Say it. Excuse me.
Then you say, "Can I have the bill, please?" In America, people also say check. Bill and check mean the same thing. Say it, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Bill or check. Same money, different word.
Exactly. And if you are with a friend and you want to pay together, you can say, "Can we split the bill?" Split means divide into two parts.
Say it. Can we split the bill, please?
And when you give the money or when you leave, you say,
Thank you. Have a good day.
"Perfect, warm and friendly." And that's it. You did it. A whole restaurant conversation, no pointing, no "the red one."
No red one. I'm so proud.
Let's practice everything one more time. Say each phrase with Jack.
Getting a table. A table for two, please. Asking for help. What do you recommend? Food problem. I'm allergic to nuts. Ordering. I would like the chicken, please. Choosing. Grilled, please. Compliment. It's delicious, thank you. A mistake. Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake. Paying. Can I have the bill, please?
8 simple phrases, 1 confident restaurant visit.
And 0 red ones.
0 forever. Okay, today's challenge, and I really love this one.
Write your restaurant order in the comments. Imagine the waiter asks you, "Are you ready to order?" What do you say?
Start with "I would like" and tell us your favorite food. Real food or dream food? Anything you want.
We will read your comments. We always do.
And tell us, have you ever had a funny moment at a restaurant? Like Jack's red one story. We want to hear it.
Please, someone else has a funny story too. I can't be alone in this.
If this video helped you feel more confident, give it a thumbs up. It helps more learners find Talk English.
And if you're new here, subscribe. New English lessons every day, made simple, made for real life.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Next time you go to a restaurant,
You'll know exactly what to say.
Talk English, your place to grow.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.